We got the 250 gallon offset smoker on the off-road package, ready to rock and roll, about to load up on a truck, shipped across the country. But folks, I wanted y'all to check it out first. Now, hey, first off, very rare opportunity. We got another 250 very similar to this one, set up the same way, in stock, up for sale. I had a customer back out on us. Doesn't happen often, but she's ready to go. Gonna be somewhere around 10 grand. Give us a call, guys. She ain't gonna last long, but let's check this one out. Patina finish on this bad girl. That means we just leave the tank how it is, clean up a little bit. 3 coats of high gloss clear coat really makes it pop. Like I mentioned, off-road package. Got our upgraded wheels and tires on there, guys. You can see on our off-road package, we really go all out, all right? Fully fabricated axles front and rear. We got the brace underneath the front. Big, strong pull handle up here. We do the D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners as well. The counterweights are an add-on for the 250. Now what's not an add-on is the top sliding trays here. So we got top sliding trays, that's standard in every TMG offset. Actually, every TMG pit ever been built, top trays standard. Don't have to pay extra for it. 3 bottom grates down here. They are removable for easy cleaning. We got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease strain down there as well. The fold down stack is another standard feature of our offset tanks. Come around the firebox. Speaking of standard features, I mean, guys, our standard features list is longer than a lot of guys' options list, all right? Fully insulated firebox. The door's insulated, front of it's insulated as well, holds heat great, just makes it a dream to run. You can see those D-ring tie downs I was telling you about back here. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.